Hi, I'm Kirsty, property partner at CR Real Estate. Today I'm here outside this 3-bedroom end of terrace home in Queens Road. Come with me, let's take a look inside. This home is a bit different to your standard 3-bedroom in the area. It's split over 3 levels and gives you a real quirky feel. As you enter the home, you have a large reception room and bedroom 3. To the first floor, you have further 2 double bedrooms and 1 with a toilet. Chatham train station is close by, with it being only 40 minutes into London. Primary schools such as Luton Primary is within walking distance, as well as secondary schools such as Victory Academy and Chatham Grammar, less than a mile away from the property. So to the ground floor, you also have a storeroom that the current homeowners are using as a playroom. You have this dining room, followed on to a kitchen, utility room, downstairs toilet, and also access into the garden. Externally, this home offers off-road parking, a well-managed tiered reared garden and outside storage. This home ticks your boxes. Give me a call on the number below.